Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tea biscuits at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 6 tablespoons of very cold, unsalted butter. Also, have on hand 1 tablespoon of sugar and about 3/4 cup of milk or buttermilk. Having all your ingredients ready and measured makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get mixing for that perfect biscuit texture. In a large bowl, whisk together your 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, cut your 6 tablespoons of very cold butter into small, pea-sized pieces. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, slowly add 3/4 cup of milk, mixing just until a soft dough forms. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those beautiful biscuits. Lightly flour a clean work surface to prevent any sticking. Turn out your dough and gently pat it into a circle or rectangle about 1 inch thick. Avoid overworking the dough, as this can make your biscuits tough. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter to cut out your biscuits. Press straight down without twisting the cutter. This helps them rise evenly and achieve that lovely flaky texture. The final step is baking and enjoying your homemade tea biscuits. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cut biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet, ensuring they are close but not touching. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Once baked, remove them from the oven and serve warm. They are absolutely delicious with a dollop of butter, a spoonful of jam, or your favorite spread. Enjoy your fluffy, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.